The Drum Film Evaporator, DFE, is an innovative zero-liquid discharge desalination system. A rotating drum, heated by steam from the outside, evaporates a thin film of saline water, producing fresh distillate and highly concentrated brine, which is further dried in evaporation ponds. The entire process runs on renewable energy sources, such as solar steam and wind power. Unlike traditional methods, DFE requires no chemicals and discharges no brine into the sea. Its self-cleaning mechanism continuously removes salt buildup, allowing operation at salinities up to 800 grams per liter without downtime. The system is simple to fabricate, modular, and easily scalable, making it ideal for deployment in remote and arid regions. DFE offers a clean, energy-efficient solution for freshwater production in dry climates. Low energy consumption, reliable operation, fresh water and dry salt with zero waste.